I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Select Avada Forms as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and go to your form page to submit it and fetch the Avada Forms. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your integration site and here you can see that the Avada Forms fetched successfully. Change the data types of the email and phone number. Set action. Search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next. Map the respective fields. Under the Actions, click on the Status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the Lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the Tags checkbox and choose Tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now visit your form page, fill it out, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.